Hi everyone. In this video, I would like to discuss about some important settings that you can use while using NotebookLM tool. On the top right hand side of the screen, you see settings here. Once you click on settings, you see NotebookLM help. So if you click on it, it will take you to this screen where you can ask questions. These are all these are all frequently asked questions by users. So if you have any issues with Notebook LM that you are curious, you can come here and you can ask questions. So let's say for example, here you see fix your problem. I'm going to click on it and it says frequently asked questions. So if you click on frequently asked questions, it will take you to a screen where you have lot of questions and answers. For example, if you see the first one, it says available regions for Notebook LM. So if you click this here, it says you can use Notebook LM if you are 18 years or older and live in one of the 180 plus regions where Gemini app is available. The mobile app currently supports only these regions. So if you have any issues accessing Notebook LM, then this could be one of the reasons why you were not able to access Notebook LM. Here it says I can't access Notebook LM. So if you click on it, it says before you access Notebook LM, make sure you verify your age in your Google account. Learn how to access age restricted content and features. So these are also the reasons why you are not able to access Notebook LM. So these are all the most important questions or most frequently asked questions reported by users. So Google has come up with the questions and answers. At any point in time, if you want to report a problem or send general feedback, you can click on it and this feedback will go back to Google. So on your computer, open Notebook LM, select settings and send feedback. So if you go here, go to settings and you see an option called send feedback. So if you click on send feedback, you can send a quick feedback to Google about your requirement, or if you have any questions, you can give feedback to them. And if you want to join a Discord community, you can also click on this option and it will take you to Discord community where you can join a community to discuss about the issues and other things. Alright, I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.